November 8 Bravo Hotel, which station I cannot copy back to you, sir?
Yeah, morning.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm setting up to listen to hurricane communications during the upcoming hurricane, which should take place as far as hitting the coast of the United States in about a day or two. If we go to, let me see, right here, here is the NOAA hurricane map, and you can see as of 8 a.m. this morning it's still quite a ways off the coast, and it should hit the coast about 2 a.m. Friday. Now I'm going to use several methods of monitoring communications, and I'm going to show you what those are. The first one is what you're listening to right now in background is SDR.HU radio, and there's 3 of them in that area where the hurricane is supposed to hit, and I'm listening to one of them, which is this one right here. This one is in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's got a 53-foot vertical antenna, and a few minutes ago one of the operators, ham operators, was asking for any weather reports. So they started up again this morning, I think about 7 a.m. and so they are now monitoring for any communications related to the hurricane. So that'll be going on for the next couple of days. That's one way you can listen to it. Another way that I'm listening to it is my own radio. Let's mute this one. Nope, I took it off mute. Okay. Put it back on mute. There, it's on mute. What I'm hearing is my radio right here. This is my SDR radio running SDR console. Matter of fact, he just released his new version, and I'm monitoring one of those 2 frequencies that's supposed to be an HF net for hurricane reports. And this one is at 14.325 megahertz USB. And right now, the gentleman that was talking has stopped. So there's nothing on it right now. Now, another thing I'm monitoring is I went to, let me see if it's still up. Yeah, this is, we go to the top. This is Broadcastify, and I picked North Carolina, and then I picked 2 counties on the coast here. And these are the 2 things back here that I'm monitoring. One is the Dare County Fire, EMS, and Ocean Rescue. That's running in background. And then the other one is, and there's no activity. I've got the audio on, but it's it turned way down. So, but you still should hear something if there's any audio. This is the Emerald Isle Police Fire and EMS. So I got those 2 running. Those are stations on the internet, and I think that's it. I did attempt, excuse me, I did attempt to use. Let me mute this. There we go. I did attempt to use this right here, which is Echo Link, which is used by hams. You have to have a ham license to use it. But I didn't find any ham stations that were active right now as far as in that area. So I closed that back down because I'm a little afraid that I got too many things running. I've got my SDR Play running. I've got Chrome running with two stations there running, plus the station here running. Got all those things running, so my audio and video could be breaking up right now as far as recording. But I just want to give you some hints of things you can do to monitor communications during this hurricane. Apparently it's going to be a pretty bad one, and it's supposed to last, as far as effects on the U.S., for several days. So these methods of communications should get pretty busy. So there's a couple of options you can use. You can use your own HF radio, depending on where you're at. You can use an HF radio that's on the internet, like I'm using right now. This is the Kiwi SDR at Raleigh, North Carolina, or you can use Broadcastify and find some fire and EMS stations on Broadcastify, and they will get busy in the next 24 hours. That's it. Best of luck to all those people that are in the area. I know it can be pretty traumatic when a hurricane is coming your way. We had one last year come near us in Florida, and pretty hectic. We were without power for a week, but we had no damage other than some small trees down and stuff like that. So we were very, very lucky. And the best of luck to all those people that are in those zones, and I hope you make it through with minimal damage. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.